Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Ragi benefits so much benefits. Bone strength. Ragi is rich in calcium. It helps in the growth of children and prevents in adults diabetes controls. Ragi is high in fiber, which helps control blood sugar levels, weight control. It reduce and does not digest quickly. This helps in keeping the stomach feeling full for a longer period of time, which helps in weight loss. Prevent anemia. In the iron found in ragi increase the hemoglobin level in the blood. Natural coolant. Ragi cools the body and provides the body with the energy it needs in summer.